Welcome back to Writing Workshop, boys and girls. We are still in our All About Writing unit. And the first thing we need to do before we start writing is thinking about how to write an all about book. And if we remember, the first thing is to think of a topic and then write to teach about our topic. Let's begin. We have an idea chart where you can decide what topic you want to write to teach about today. Have you chosen a topic? Great. Now, we have to touch and tell what you're going to write about your topic. And Miss Allen has chosen to write all about firefighters. And I am going to touch, tell, and draw what I'm going to teach on every page. So on this page, I'm going to say all about firefighters. Okay? Written and illustrated by Miss Allen. On this page, I will write my introduction. And my introduction will start with, I will teach you all about firefighters. On page 1, I will teach you that firefighters wear helmets. Page 2, I will teach that firefighters wear jackets. On page 3, our last page, maybe I can teach that firefighters also wear boots. Now that I've decided what I want to write on every page, I am going to draw my pictures. Do you remember what I said I was going to put on the cover of my page? I'm going to leave my picture here so that I remember my topic and what I want to write to teach. Firefighters. And on my cover page, I put my firefighters and what they do. My introduction page, I will teach you all about firefighters. And firefighters, see, they put out fires, they drive a truck. Page 1, I said that firefighters wear a helmet. And I have my firefighter with her helmet on. Page 2, firefighters wear a jacket. And on my last page, I said firefighters wear boots. So boys and girls, today we thought of an idea, and I hope you thought of your own idea of what you want to write about. I modeled how to touch and tell what you want to put on every page, and then draw a picture across the pages that write to teach about your topic. And Miss Allen's topic is firefighter. So on every page, I had a picture that taught something about firefighters. See you tomorrow as we continue to work on our All About books. Bye, boys and girls.